Merry Christmas 2020.
I really can't stay.
But baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
But baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has
Been
been
hoping that you'd drop in.
so very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like ice.
My mother will start to worry.
Beautiful, what's your hurry?
My father will be pacing the floor.
Listen to the fireplace roar.
So really I'd better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't hurry.
Well, maybe just a half a drink more.
Put some records on while I pour.
The neighbors might think.
Baby, it's bad out there.
Say, what's in the drink?
No cabs to be had out there.
I wish I knew how.
Your eyes are like starlight now.
To break this spell.
I'll take your hat, your hair looks swell.
I ought to say no, 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 sir.
Mind if I move in closer?
At least I'm going to say that I tried.
What's the sense of hurting my pride?
I really can't stay.
Baby, don't hold out. Baby,
It's
it's cold outside.
I simply must go.
Baby, it's cold outside.
The answer is no.
Baby, it's cold outside.
The welcome has been
How lucky that you dropped in.
so nice and warm.
Look out the window at the storm.
My sister will be suspicious.
Gosh, your lips look delicious.
My brother will be there at the door.
Waves upon a tropical shore.
My maiden aunt's mind is vicious.
Gosh, your looks are delicious.
But maybe just a cigarette more.
Never such a blizzard before.
I got to get home.
But baby, you'll freeze out there.
Say, lend me a coat.
It's up to your knees out there.
You've really been grand.
I thrill when you touch my hand.
But don't you see?
How can you do this thing to me?
There's bound to be talk tomorrow.
Think of my lifelong sorrow.
At least there will be plenty implied.
If you caught pneumonia and died,
I really can't stay.
get over that old doubt. Baby, it's cold. Baby, it's cold outside. Merry Christmas.
Love ya.
And now for our updated version. Family, it's COVID outside.
We really should stay.
Family, it's COVID outside.
We can't go away.
Family, it's COVID outside.
This evening has
Hoping
been
that you'd drop in.
so very nice.
Please wear a mask or it's no dice.
Neva will start to worry.
Family, what's your hurry?
Grandcat will be pacing the floor.
Listen to the fireplace
So
roar.
really no need to scurry.
Family, please don't hurry.
Well, maybe just a half a drink
Keep
more.
6 feet away while I pour.
Ella might think.
Family, it's bad out there.
Lillian loves pink.
No fun to be had out there.
Henley wished she knew how
Please keep the faith.
to break this spell.
Hope will take your hat, please sanitize well.
Cameron says no, 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 sir.
We're not gonna get any closer.
In this particular instance,
We really must socially distance.
we really should stay.
Shouldn't go out. Family,
Family,
it's
it's
COVID
COVID
outside.
We simply should go.
But Carol, it's COVID outside.
Jeffrey's answer is no.
Because it's COVID outside.
It really has
How
been
lucky that Chachi dropped in.
so nice to talk.
He will not go out for a walk.
Kimmy says, hey there, dearie.
Please don't try to get near me.
Sadie will be there at the door.
Good girls, no pee on the floor.
Josh is going to stay where he is.
No reason to drive up biz.
Maybe just a margarita more.
Never a pandemic before.
I got to get home.
Libby, you're exposed out there.
Daniel, lend me a coat.
CDC says don't go there.
Claire's really been
We
grand.
thrill when she grabs our hands.
Her eyes are bright.
She does not keep us up at night.
There's bound to be talk tomorrow.
Of what could be lifelong sorrow.
But think of what it would mean.
Once we can get the
We
vaccine,
really should stay.
let's get over this virus. Family, it's COVID outside.
Here we are.
Merry Christmas.
We love you all.
Bye-bye.
I'll go behind my arm.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
A partridge in a pear tree.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens.
2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
7 swans swimming. 6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the eighth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids of milking.
7 swans are swimming. 6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
9 ladies dancing.
8 maids of milking.
7 swans are swimming. 6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 lords are leaping.
9 ladies dancing.
8 maids of milking.
7 swans are swimming. 6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
11 pipers piping.
10 lords are leaping.
9 ladies dancing.
8 maids are milking.
7 swans are swimming. 6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
12 drummers drumming. 11 pipers piping.
10 lords are leaping.
9 ladies dancing.
8 maids are milking.
7 swans are swimming. 6 geese a-laying.
5 golden rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves
And a partridge in a pear tree. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a
Like a light bulb.
All
All
of
the
the
other reindeer
used to laugh
laugh
and
and
call
call
him.
him names.
Like Pinocchio.
They
Never
never
let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games.
Like Monopoly.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Ho, ho, ho.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
then all the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee,
Yippee!
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer,
You'll go down in history. Like George Washington. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yay! Merry Christmas to everyone in one person!
have yourself a Merry COVID Christmas. Keep your mask on tight, so that next year our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a Merry COVID Christmas. Sanitize every day, because right now this virus hasn't gone away. Here we are in pandemic days. Quarantine days are such a bore. The faithful friends who are dear to us can't gather near to us anymore. Come next year, we all will be together, if the fates allow. So wash your hands and keep some distance for right now. And try to have a merry little Christmas somehow.
Melikilikimaka is a thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Melikilikimaka is Hawaii's way of saying Merry Christmas to you. Melikilikimaka is a thing to say on a bright pandemic getaway. That's the island greeting that we send to you. Please wear masks, stay 6 feet away. Here we hope that Christmas will be clean and bright. So if you've got the COVID, please don't board that flight. Melikilikimaka is Hawaii's way of saying keep your distance till June. Dance solo.
Take it away, Claire.